Consultant, Victor Hao Wenko. Designer, Roy Irwin Tizon. And once again, the municipality of Tuburan would like to thank the following: Tuburan National High School, faculty and staff, Mr. Raul Dura, teacher in charge for Tuburan National High School, Municipal Mayor Democrito M. Diamante, Municipal Vice Mayor Danilo E. Diamante, Sangguniang 5 members, LG Tuburan employees and staff, Tinugdan sa Kausuwagan, Cultural Troupe, Shandar Shoes for the footwear of the Contingent, Tuburanons, and we'd like to thank as well Dr. Riamar Anto, Schools Division Superintendent for the province of Cebu. Sinulog 2017 would like to thank the following sponsors: Drag Drinks USA, Cebu Cordova Link Expressway, Smart, Mandawi Food, Metro Pacific, API, Coke, Manila Boutique, San Miguel Corporation, Philippine Gaming Choir, Pepsi, Nestle, Grab, Puratex, Film, QB, Sky Cable, ML Group, CCTN, Worldwide, Central Prop, Island Souvenirs, Monster, United Steel, Jollibee, SMCD, Beko, Virginia, Libya. And I'd like to thank as well Zesco, Support Safe, Nature Spring, Summit Hotel, Globe, Sunstar, BLD, Freeman, Epson, Cebu Daily News, Generica, Novelino, FWD, Cucurio, Tanduay, Fairwide, Robinsons, Alcordo Outdoor Advertising, and again, Jack Jeans USA, Cebu Cordova Link Expressway. Of Tuburan is headed by the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Democrito M. Diamante, with the choreographer, Orlando Ando Cabrillas, Consultant, Victor Hao Wenko, and designer, Roy Irwin Tizon. And again, we are now on the last league of the contest proper for the secondary category of the round. We would like to thank also the following province officials: the Honorable Governor Hilario Navidi III, Vice Governor Agnes Almendras Magpali, and the rest of the provincial board members. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Tuburan National High School.
kabayo bukas at Lalawigan. Pinahapit Bulacau. Usahaw na akong basada at ito yung gababi ang sasaligap sa pamilya. Salit-salit, yung sa inyo. At lang yung po, mga liyak kita na ka. Tara, ito na sa pitik. Ito na sa kalang kabayo.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was from Tuburan National High School.